What's up guys, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Toji versus Gojo. Had to think there for a second, what was his name? So this is like a split portrait of the two boys from their fight. Let's go. Landscape page. I've already divided my page in half, so you can go ahead and do that. Easiest way I find is just to fold my page and I get a line right down the middle. It's the quickest way to find center. So start with Gojo, start with his big eyes. So curved line coming across like that. And then it kind of hooks down here like so. And then we have all those eyelashes spiking back. Like so, right? And then the bottom eyelid line, so we've got a bit of a tear duct sort of area here, and then they do this line that comes around just the bottom of his eye, and then they do add some eyelashes coming down from this. And he's just got all these stretch lines and lines around his eye, and then his pupil, he's kind of looking up from underneath his hair and his iris, right? So his iris like comes around here, just a circle. Like that. And the pupil somewhere in the middle. And sometimes they like to put iris lines. So in top eyelid line, just underneath his eyelashes there. And then his eyebrow, so his eyebrow kind of goes underneath his hair, but we'll draw in what we can see. Just going that way. Like that, right? Now it's all bloody and stuff, so it's hard to sort of make it out. So his nostril then, just down here, and I think there's a bit of a nose line as well, just sort of there. And then his mouth, it's a broken sort of line here, big smile on his face, he's delighted with himself. Big sort of dimple there. And then his bottom lip line, like so. His chin just comes out here. And then the jaw up the side, right? You want to stop around top lip area because that's where it changes direction and goes up side of his face. So in terms of proportion, eyes, say to nostril, is about the same as nostril to chin. So like the pupil to the nostril, about the same as nostril to chin. And then nostril to the bottom lip, about the same as bottom lip. The middle of the bottom lip, say here to here, is about the same as here to here. That's your general proportion for the face. So we have his hair spikes all coming down over his face, right? So coming over the eyebrow, so we've got like there, there, and then that way, up. And then there's one that goes down like that across his face. And we just keep going. So one there and then another coming down over here. And then this comes over his ear. Spikes like that. And of course this is all like covered in blood and stuff. And then we can actually see his ear sort of sticking out here. Well, there's another little spike, and then the ear. Just there, and some ear lines inside. And then more hair spikes. So we've got the ones that come out from behind his ear now. And then these will go all the way around his head. And you can add some texture then. And you can just see like these sort of spikes just going off top of his head there. Like so. Right, so then he has like all this blood coming down his face, right, and underneath, all in here. And it's all, I'll draw it in with black, but generally it's red. Okay. Now you can see his neck. It's coming down from the jaw. A few more hair spikes coming out from behind his neck then. And then his collar. Coming down. And then the white collar. Like that. Then his neck muscles. He's got a shadow underneath his chin. Like so. Doop, doop, doop. And then his shoulder will just go sort of off this way. And that's Gojo. So we'll go over and do Toji now. So we'll do the side of his mouth that has the scar on it, because it's the coolest. So his eye is very small and narrow, right? So just here. Diagonal first. And then comes across and up to us, kind of a spike at the end, right? It can be a sort of a thicker line, maybe. Thick black line. Like so. And then this comes down. Then across the bottom. Like that. And then his iris just comes out from underneath. He's looking underneath the eyelid line. And his pupil real small. Just under there. Frowning eyebrow. So we'll put it here. That way. And then we'll just make it whiter as we go down. And then his top eyelid line just comes across the top there. Another line inside here. The bottom of his eye. And like bags underneath his eyes and stuff. So his nostril beside Gojo's. And then they actually draw in the nose lines for him. So like this kind of thing. Like wrinkles on his nose. And then his mouth, so his teeth sort of are showing on this side, right? So it like comes across like he's smiling. There. And then the mouth is open. Like so. Bit of a shadow in the corner. And teeth just there. And then his bottom lip line like so. And then he has that scar just on the side of his mouth here. And then the chin lines up with Gojo's. And then we go up for the jaw. Change direction up the side of the face. Like so. And then his hair spikes, his fringe, long black pieces of hair. And you might have like a single strand going down that way. And these all go over his ear and stuff. So his ear will stick out, say here. Okay, and then some hair texture there, and then some more that comes out from behind his head. And this then just goes around. Like so. And then hair coming out from behind the ear. He's kind of hunched over. This is when Gojo has him against the wall. So neck that way. And then his shirt just comes out and around here. Neck muscles. Like so. And then collarbone or t-shirt, sort of like shoulder muscle lines that way. And his shoulder goes off that way. And that's it. Toji and Gojo. Hope it's helpful, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.